This is Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, and this is the question: what happens when you deactivate your Gmail account? I'm going to answer that question in this video, but before I do, hit that subscribe and that notify button because I create all of these videos for you. So there depends on what type of account you have. If you have a Gmail account, there is no deactivate. It's delete. You either have an account or you delete an account. I'll show you what that's all about. If I go over here to my account, manage my Google account, I bring this up, I go to data, and I think it's under data and privacy. I think it's all the way near the bottom, delete your account. You click on that, you got to give it your password, make sure you're logging in as you. And then up comes a box that says, you got to read this because it's not the usual yada yada. So if you delete your account, it's all going away. Everything is going away. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Got to click 2 yeses there, and then you can hit delete your account. Now that's in Gmail. Again, everything goes away. But if you're in Google Workspace, that's a little bit different answer. You cannot deactivate or delete your account. The system admin or domain admin has that ability to show you what that's all about. So as a domain admin, I have the ability to go to my users and I get the ability to go over here and highlight any one of them, go over here and hit more options, and I have the ability, not for the admin, but for anybody else, so I have the ability to suspend their account, basically deactivate it so they can't get into it, or I have the ability to delete the user entirely. Now, deleting the user in the domain, I don't want to go through this process here, but deleting the user in the domain will pop up some other dialog boxes and let the domain manager or admin decide, what do I do with this user's content, their Google Docs, et cetera, and they have the ability to move those or reassign those to other users or simply let that all disappear. Gmail, it's either you have an account or you delete an account. Google Workspace, you have an account or the domain administrator can suspend your account or it can delete your account. And there are options when you delete an account as a manager to be able to move their content to other people. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is useful for you.